Hello mommies, hope you all guys are doing good with your babies. So guess what I have here today? Beautiful pair of shoes from Baby Hug by First Cry. Baby Hug has been one of my most favorite brand for my baby and which generally gives a lot of comfort to her. Actually I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. So let's start. It's actually Cute Walk by Baby Hug. And the printed price is 735 rupees, but I'll definitely give you the link below in the description. Here comes the little wonders. Wow, it's wonderful. Great. You can see the size here, it's 20. My baby is turning 14 months. So here it is in lovely pink color and I'm just making it ready to wear. Here comes lovely patchwork in sky color, written love, and these are the elastics to customize. Now coming to the price, after applying a discount coupon, I got this in 540 rupees. Now it's time for review. So you can see my daughter has been wearing this last 2 weeks. It's quite comfortable and flexible for her. She loves her shoes and likes to wear these days.